been just over 36 hours since the Reggae Girlz advanced to the round of 16 of the FIFA Women's World Cup, stunning the world as they dumped out superpowers Brazil from the global showpiece. And the country continues to celebrate one of the biggest developments in local football. Among those basking in the Reggae Girlz success is former national player, now FIFA ambassador Tamara Vincent.
People stopping me on the road. Hey, Paula, what do you think about X or Y? And this player is my favorite player. Normally, people have no idea who these players are. They don't know their names. Now people saying, oh, Becky Spencer is my favorite player. Bonnie Shaw is my favorite player. So I think that we just have to continue to market the sport more. We have to understand that right now, the Reggae Girlz is a product, not only in Jamaica, and worldwide. So we need to find innovative ways in which we can promote the sport locally.
Shad Rutherford, formerly of Meadowbrook High School, is a sophomore at Auburn University studying on a football scholarship, and the 19-year-old knows how important the development is for young players.
It's a good feeling. I think the country should be proud. Themselves should be proud, even the coaching staff, to just know that they actually made it to the round of 16. So it's a really proud moment, and congrats to the girls. It doesn't matter where you're from, it's where you're going. Always believe in your journey, always believe in yourself, and always trust God. You know, if you work hard and believe in yourself and trust God, there's nothing at all that can break you.
Even as they celebrate the history-making moment, former national coach Charles Edwards and former Reggae Girlz assistant coach Tamara Williams are hoping this is an alarm signal for more investment in the local Women's Premier League.
It's a big statement. You know, we have talent. It is saying that, you know, we can do it. We have the talent here. But what I'd love to see is the JFF getting behind the program and really support it properly. Make some serious investment mentally. Get out of the box that you have been operating within for the last umpteen years and start to do something different. Once we promote a proper league and get the coaches properly prepared, certified, everything, which they're already doing, but, you know, there's more that we need.
This means for the girls that their dreams are possible, and if you work hard enough, you'll get there. That we pay more attention to the younger, the grassroots and the younger players, and just give them the support that they need, and keep a set of kids in a pool, so we always have players that can transition on, but keep working with the players year round.
Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.